Susan Toft, The Laundry Lady, Sunshine Coast. My business is The Laundry Lady. It's a mobile laundry service offering washing and ironing, pick-up and delivery to home, residents and businesses. To learn about The Laundry Lady, you can go onto our website. There you'll find all of our information about the services we provide, a pricing calculator. You can book contractors online right throughout Southeast Queensland with pick-up times and deliveries all right there at a click of a button. About 2 years ago, I received a home business-based grant from the Department of Small Business, and that really helped me to change my business from being just myself to being a booking agent digital website that I could then connect contractors through. So that's really helped me to expand that to 9 contractors in those couple of years. It's really great, I think, to have a cheer squad when you're in business in the tough days. So, that really helps to keep you going in the right direction.